Hey guys, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Having trouble with your iPhone stuck in recovery mode and refusing to exit? Many people face this issue when trying to update or restore their iPhone using iTunes. I'll share the 3 free ways to help you get iPhone out of recovery mode. Let's go. Method 1. Use the iOS repair tool Fixppo to exit recovery mode with one click, and this feature is free. First, download Fixppo from description below and open it. Click on Exit Recovery Mode. In a few seconds, your iPhone will successfully exit recovery mode. Very quick and easy, right? If you can't follow the above quick way to take your iPhone out of recovery mode, there may be iOS bugs on your iPhone that needs to be fixed first. The standard mode of Fixppo can help you with that. You can return to the features page, choose standard mode, and then click on download to get the firmware that will be later used for the fixing process. The whole downloading will take you up to a few minutes. And begin the last step. Fixppo will instantly start to fix your iPhone and finish it in 5 minutes. Try not to touch the cable when Fixppo is working, or your iPhone may be disconnected, then it's done. Your iPhone will no longer be stuck in recovery mode soon. Take a look now. No data loss. You can freely enjoy using your iPhone. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. Simply press and let go of both the volume up and down buttons, then press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Sometimes, this method may not work. So I recommend using Fixppo to fix being stuck in recovery mode. It boasts a success rate of up to 99%. Method 3. Restore iPhone with DFU mode. Please note this method will result in erasing everything from your device. Step 1. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Press and hold the side button. Don't release it when the screen turns black. Press and hold the volume down button together with the side button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button, but keep holding the volume down button for at least 5 seconds. When your screen stays dark, your phone has successfully entered DFU mode. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. Now, your iPhone has successfully exited recovery mode, but all your data is lost. I recommend using Fixppo to help you out of repair mode. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find these methods helpful, share them with your friends. Can't wait to see you in the next video.